everybody, welcome to 54 Nights RV. Doing a quick walkthrough of the 2019 Bay Star Sport 3307. It's a Class A motorhome, about 34 foot long. Big old water tank on it, 75 gallon water tank, 6 gallon water heater, and 2 house batteries, sitting on a 22,000 pound chassis. It's a nice sized little coach. Here we are in the back room. Got the back window on it, which is what we like. Except she's holding something out in front of it. We have no idea what that was. It's a cushion of some sort. I'm not sure where it belongs. It's got nice storage in it, in the bedroom there.
Some more of that recessed storage for when the slide out comes in.
Little pocket door. Another little wardrobe right here in the bedroom. This is a full wall slide, so you get more walking space at the end of the bed. A little place to put your DVD players and stuff. Those shorter drawers there give the bed room to squeeze in when it slides in. Got a good sized bathroom in it. A little bit of storage or cabinet space there. Medicine cabinet. Decent sized medicine cabinet. Shelves in the shower. Love the shelves in the shower. Was that skylight clear? It looked clear, tinted maybe.
Yeah. Interesting. Be interesting when it's raining.
Yeah. And a little storage there beside the shower. It's something we've got in our Fleetwood, and we roll up towels and squeeze them in there. And then all your breakers and fuses up there, and a little bit more storage right here. It's got a lot of storage in the bathroom. I like it.
Yeah. Overall, for a 34-foot coach, not bad at all.
Yeah. Even a little space under sink, couple of drawers right there beside it. I think I could fit all my clothes in here. A little pantry here beside the refrigerator and TV. And this one actually has somewhat of the layout we like.
Can you get an L-shaped couch with this?
You know, I didn't look at that.
Because basically what we've got with L-shaped, if it had an L-shaped couch and where the television is.
At Bay Star Sports, their entry-level Class A RV, and it's really nicely outfitted.
Now the stove isn't flush with the counter with the covers on it.
It's got a 3-way fridge in here.
Some storage under there. It's not easy to get to. It's not drawers like.
Yeah, that is a bit of a pain. This one. A lot of this looks a lot like what we have in our Fleetwood. The backup camera and the radio are kind of angled towards the driver, which is nice. That flip out table there, it's nice, but you don't want to make a jigsaw puzzle on it, because when you get up you have to, whoop, there it goes, it all fell apart. Nice flat dash area there that I really prefer that. Our Fleetwood, it rolls down, so you end up losing stuff out there. not losing it, just it getting out of reach.
Now, what's the bed situation above the cab on these?
With Newmar, you get like a manual fold-down bed, I think, as an option.
So that doesn't hold much weight.
I think they hold like 350 pounds if I remember right. And these storage bays for an entry-level Class A are very nice, considering it's an entry level. The one downfall of this is there is no outside shower water unit on the Bay Star Sport, which, those are convenient for rinsing out the stinky slinky and washing your hands and all that outside of the coach. It's got a full wall slide.
Rinsing sand off too.
Yeah. It's got a full wall slide, really opens up the interior of the coach. I like it. The one thing that I didn't really focus on camera was the wardrobe with the sliding doors on it. That extra wardrobe was huge, and then there's another pantry right beside it, which, this thing, for a 34-foot long coach, it has a lot of storage inside it. And like I said, this is our preferred floor plan style, with that TV on an angle across from the couch.
If somebody's working in the kitchen, they're not in the way of the television.
Yeah. And this one has a rear window, which our coach doesn't. So
one of the two things I wish our coach had.
It's a nice rig, especially for an entry level. But anyway, if you enjoyed this, you want to see more of this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified when we release these walkthroughs. And if you want more than just walkthroughs, take a look around our channel. We've got some of our RV adventures, some hikes, and just a little bit of talk about RV maintenance and things like that. So
some of the stuff we've dealt with, and hopefully we can help you with.
Yep, what she said. I'll catch you down the road.